Calot's triangle is seen here. See, this is the liver. So this is the liver, and this is the gallbladder. This is the fundus of the gallbladder. Fundus of the gallbladder is related to the tip of the ninth costal cartilage, and here is the, and it is lying on the second part of the duodenum. This lies on the second part of the duodenum. This is the neck and the body of the gallbladder, and here it is related to the first part of the duodenum. And the neck, you have a pouch called Hartmann's pouch. Sometimes the gallstones may get lodged into that. And here is a lovely duct called as cystic duct. This duct is known as cystic duct. The cystic duct joins with the common hepatic duct and forms the bile duct. So here only you should show this as a bile duct. So inferior surface of the liver and common hepatic duct on the left side, and the cystic duct on the inferior aspect. So again I repeat, right and inferior is your cystic duct, left side is your common hepatic duct, up to this only, and superiorly you have the inferior surface of the liver. These three, they form a triangle called as Calot's triangle. This triangle is called as Calot's triangle. Inside the Calot's triangle, you have the lovely vessel. Can you see that? This is your cystic artery. This is your cystic artery which is present inside. This is the cystic artery which is a branch of the hepatic artery. Hepatic artery, right hepatic artery. Right hepatic artery is a branch of the proper hepatic. Look at this. Okay. So this is right hepatic. This is a cystic artery which supplies the gallbladder. So this is a cystic Calot's triangle where the cystic artery is being clamped during the surgery. So this is Calot's triangle, and here is the epiploic foramen, and here is the lesser sac. We have removed the stomach. These are the stomach bed structures called as pancreas, splenic artery, spleen. This is spleen. This is the spleen, and here you have the transverse colon, and the mesocolon, and then behind that you will be having the left kidney, left suprarenal gland, and diaphragm. So, and splenic flexure. These are the stomach bed structures.